Come here, Tasha. Tasha, come here. Come here. Come here. I got a treat for you. You sit? Oh, no, don't jump up and get it. Yeah. Now can you sit up pretty? Can you sit up pretty? No, I don't want you to jump. There you go. Atta girl. Atta girl. Oh, you're going to get some company. Hello, Mia. You are not up for adoption. Oh, let me think about that. No, I guess not. We're taking pictures of Tasha. What a good girl she is. Sit, sit, sit. And you sit up pretty. Good girl. Good girl. Hi, Darby. Good girl. Okay? Is that good, Tosh? Is that good? Yeah. Is that good, girl? Okay. Good dog. Can you sit one more time? Good girl. Good girl.